Jai Sriman-Narayana.
He travelled for 3 days. On third day he is now entering into Ayodhya. How is that Ayodhya? Ayodhyam samanuprapya niranandam dadarsaha. Ayodhya has no happiness at all in that kingdom. Into such kingdom Sumantra is entering. Sumantra's mind is so much of restlessness. Sumantra's heart is very heavy and grief. He is holding all that grief in his heart. He is looking at Ayodhya. There are no people at all in Ayodhya. Nobody is seen outside Ayodhya. And there is no any kind of transactions and nothing is going on in Ayodhya. Almost dead Ayodhya. It is looking like. Into such Ayodhya, Sumantra is entering. There are no elephants are seen. No horses are seen. No people are seen. Nowhere no one is seen in Ayodhya. Into such Ayodhya, Sumantra is entering and also feeling that maybe all these horses, elephants, people, king, everybody, they probably got into the fire of grief, Sokagni, and they got burnt out. The Ayodhya is looking like that, sounding like that. Sumantra is feeling so much of pain and now he is entering into Ayodhya. Sumantra is now entering into Ayodhya, the kingdom. Thousands of people coming to Sumantra. Sumantram abhiyantam tam shatasodha sahasrasaha. Thousands of people coming around Sumantra and asking him, Kvarama iti pruchantaha. Where is my Rama? Where is our Rama? Like that everyone started asking Sumantra at once. Then Sumantra told them that I left Sita, Rama, Lakshmana on the banks of Ganga and came here. When Sumantra said like that, immediately all the people at once started crying, Ha Rama, Ha Rama, iti cha chukrusuhu. Like that they are all moving to tears and they are all crying. Also, they are all each other talking about Ramachandra Swami like this, how much they are missing Rama in each and every aspect and respect. They are now among them, they are sharing with each other all the memories of Rama. They are saying that, did we ever see this chariot without Rama? We cannot see this chariot without Rama. Whenever we do dana, yajna, vivaheshu, samajeshu, mahatsucha, nadrakshiyamaha, dharmikam ramam. Whenever we do marriages in our homes, Rama always is there within ourselves and he used to take care of everything and make sure everything happens as per scripture. Such the wonderful person, the wonderful man, that Ramachandra Swami is not there within ourselves. Whenever we do danas, whenever we do yajnas, whenever we do big assemblies, whenever we do big celebrations in the villages, always Rama is there within ourselves and takes care of everything. Such Ramabhadra is not there with ourselves now. Jai Sriman-Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website which is www.narayanaastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Shriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Shriman Narayana.